In this lesson, we explore the ever-evolving world of science, from curiosity and experiments to life processes, light, water, and the Earth-Moon-Sun system. Science does not start with answers. It starts with curiosity, with simple questions that make us look again at the world around us. Science helps us explore tiny things, huge things, things close to us and things far away, from cells and water underground to the moon and stars. Science is also a way of thinking. It welcomes curiosity, asks questions, observes carefully, and looks for patterns in nature. To understand science better, we move beyond reading alone. Activities, observations, and experiments help ideas become real and easier to understand. Science also brings responsibility. It helps us understand how nature and society are connected and how knowledge can support a more sustainable world. This book explores physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science, and shows that ideas from one area often help us ask questions in another. Questions about everyday materials lead to science. We can even test which materials help a lamp glow and begin classifying them by their properties. Around us, some changes can be reversed, while others cannot. Heat often helps these changes happen faster, from melting ice to many larger natural changes.
Water is everywhere, and the sun's heat keeps it moving, evaporating, forming clouds, falling as rain, and even traveling unseen into the ground.
As living things grow, they depend on essential life processes such as getting food, breathing, and moving materials through the body, and plants raise these questions too. Long before modern clocks, people observed the shadows of objects in sunlight and used those changing positions to tell the time. To understand day and night and eclipses, we study how Earth rotates, how the moon moves around Earth, and how Earth moves around the sun. Science keeps moving. Even when an experiment gives the expected result, it can still open the door to new questions and more discovery. This activity turns thinking around. Instead of finding answers to questions, you imagine creative questions that could lead to the same answer. So far, we have seen that science grows from curiosity, observation, experiments, connected ideas, and the habit of asking new questions. Remember these key terms. Curiosity means the desire to know, observation means careful noticing, experiment is a test, pattern is something we recognize, and evaporation is water changing by heat. Great work! You learned that science grows through curiosity, experiments, patterns, and wonder. Now try this. Invent a creative question whose answer is 42.